Have you ever pondered the concept of African unity? In a continent as diverse as Africa, the choice of an official language becomes crucial in fostering cohesion and promoting effective communication among its nations. When considering the wide range of languages spoken throughout Africa, Swahili emerges as a front-runner, being the most widely spoken language across the continent. In this article, we will explore why Swahili could be the ideal choice as Africa's official language in the pursuit of unity. If you want to delve deeper into this topic and stay informed about cultural fusion and global discussions, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, World Fusion. Unparalleled geographic reach, Swahili's prominence is rooted in its extensive geographic reach. It is spoken as a native or second language in countries such as Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, the Democratic Republic of the Congo, Mozambique, Somalia, and even parts of Comoros. With millions of speakers scattered across these nations, Swahili already serves as a connecting thread, fostering communication and facilitating interaction within and between these countries. Linguistic accessibility. One of the key strengths of Swahili is its accessibility to speakers of diverse African languages. Africa is home to over 2,000 distinct languages, making communication a challenge. However, Swahili's straightforward grammar, phonetic structure, and relatively simple vocabulary make it an accessible language to learn. Its adoption as Africa's official language would bridge linguistic barriers and enhance cross-cultural understanding. Economic advantages. The adoption of Swahili as Africa's official language would yield substantial economic benefits. Standardizing communication in Swahili would facilitate trade and commerce across borders, simplify bureaucratic procedures, and attract foreign investments. By streamlining business interactions and eliminating language barriers, Swahili would unleash the continent's economic potential and promote regional integration, cultural preservation, and exchange. Swahili's rich cultural heritage makes it an excellent candidate for Africa's official language. It has absorbed influences from various cultures, including African, Arab, Persian, and European, reflecting centuries of trade and cultural exchange along the East African coast. By adopting Swahili, Africa can preserve its diverse cultural traditions while promoting cross-cultural exchange and understanding among its nations. Empowering African identity. Language plays a pivotal role in shaping identity, and embracing Swahili as Africa's official language would foster a strong sense of African identity and unity. Swahili's Pan-African presence and its ability to transcend national boundaries would create a shared linguistic space where Africans can connect, collaborate, and celebrate their common heritage. It would strengthen the African Union's mission of promoting continental integration and cooperation. The fight for African unity has been propelled by the visionary leadership of individuals such as Kwame Nkrumah and Muammar Gaddafi. Their commitment to the cause, including the recognition of language as a unifying force, has left a lasting impact on the continent. As Africa continues to strive for unity and integration, we can draw inspiration from these leaders and their relentless pursuit of a united Africa. By embracing languages like Swahili and recognizing their potential as tools of unity, we can honor the legacy of these leaders and work towards a more cohesive and prosperous Africa.